Title of the story, Jack and the Beanstalk, a modern twist. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled at the foot of a majestic mountain, there lived a young lad named Jack. Jack wasn't your average boy, he was brave, curious, and always yearning for adventure. However, Jack's family was poor, and they struggled to make ends meet. One fateful day, Jack's life changed forever. One morning, Jack's mother sent him to the market with their last few coins to sell their beloved cow, Milky White. Along the way, Jack met a peculiar old man who offered to trade Jack magic beans for the cow. Jack, intrigued by the mysterious beans, accepted the trade without hesitation. Returning home, Jack's mother was furious at the exchange and threw the beans out of the window in a fit of anger. Disheartened, Jack went to bed hungry that night, wondering if he had made a grave mistake. As Jack slept, something miraculous happened. The beans he had tossed away grew into a gigantic beanstalk that reached up into the clouds, piercing the sky. Jack awoke to find himself standing at the base of this towering beanstalk, its leaves brushing against the heavens. Fueled by curiosity and a glimmer of hope, Jack began to climb. Higher and higher he ascended, the air thinning around him until he emerged into a realm above the clouds. Here, Jack discovered a land of wonder and danger, where creatures of myth and legend roamed. Exploring this strange new world, Jack stumbled upon a colossal castle nestled atop a cloud-kissed peak. Determined to uncover its mysteries, Jack ventured inside, his heart pounding with excitement and trepidation. Inside the castle, Jack encountered a fearsome giant, the ruler of this sky-high domain. With quick wit and nimble feet, Jack managed to evade the giant's grasp, sneaking through the castle's corridors and chambers in search of treasure. Deep within the castle's walls, Jack discovered a hoard of gold and jewels beyond imagination. With his pockets overflowing with riches, Jack knew he had to make his escape before the giant caught wind of his presence. As Jack fled the castle, he heard the thunderous footsteps of the giant echoing behind him. Racing down the beanstalk, Jack reached the safety of the earth just as the giant reached out, grasping at thin air. With the treasure in hand, Jack returned to his village a hero. His family's fortunes forever changed, they lived comfortably for the rest of their days. And though Jack's adventure in the clouds was but a distant memory, the tale of Jack and the Beanstalk lived on, inspiring generations with its message of bravery, ingenuity, and the boundless wonders that await those who dare to dream. And so, dear reader, remember the story of Jack and the Beanstalk, for who knows what marvelous adventures await just beyond the clouds, waiting for the next brave soul to discover them.